Alright, so let's look at some standard modules that comes with Python. These are the pre-installed modules. There are lots of them. I just want to touch on some of them just so that it actually help your jobs a lot easier when you are working with other modules. There is this dir function, well, I call it directory. So let's just import sys. When you type dir, what it does is that it actually provides you with a directory of the so-called predefined modules and functions that's listed out for you. Okay, without arguments, the list the names that you have defined currently within it. Okay, so if, for example, here this dir sys lists down all the predefined functions modules that is within sys. Okay. What happens if you actually don't put any names? It actually lists all the so-called names that you have defined currently. So you should be able to find A in here, right there. That's A. And also notice that we have fib2 from earlier, and also a few other built-in functions that helper functions that Python import. Note that the list all types of names, variables, modules, functions, etc. There does not list the names of built-in functions and variables. If you want a list of those, they are defined in the standard modules built-ins. Import built-ins and then and you will notice that these are all the built-in standard modules. Okay, so keep that in mind. These are the built-in standard modules. There are a lot of them, and some of them are to actually provide you feedback on the errors, syntax errors, type errors, and stuff like that. Okay, so that's really a quick tour on the dir function as well as the standard modules. There are a whole lot more. You can actually look up the library reference for more. But for now, that's really the one that I want to touch on, just so that it can get you started on the exploration of what are the so-called, first of all, locating or identifying the names that you have defined right now, and second of all is look at all the so-called modules, standard modules that's defined within Python itself.